We got the Motley crew in here. We're getting ready to go to another destination. Brian, Jack, Matt, you know, we're doing this thing in Augusta.
Doing big things.
Big things. We have Jack on site here. Jack, I understand that there's some things that happened last night. Would you like to let us know what happened with your drone? I mean,
the encore was, I was so excited that I just, washed the drone off.
So
dipped it in the river and flew back to me, and just letting it dry out right now. Taking a little breather, and I'll take it out. Hopefully fire it back up, the gimbal works, and we're able to get back to the sky.
All right, appreciate that your time, Jack. All right, we got Matt on scene. Matt, how you doing this morning?
Good. Trying to wake up. Cut through the fog.
So, where are you at now, Matt?
Somewhere over some golf course.
Oh, okay. That unnamed golf course. Okay. Oh, okay. Cool. Good morning, Bob. How you doing?
Well.
You out flying this morning?
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah, it is thick fog out here this morning in Augusta. We got out early this morning around 6:30. So hopefully by another hour, fog will be gone.
Right.
You know. When you going back to Georgia? I mean Atlanta.
Probably after we get done.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay, cool. All right. Well, that's all for Bob. See y'all later. We got Brian sitting in the car chilling. Brian, how you doing this morning?
Vertical.
You're vertical, that's good. You want to tell the people why you're not out flying this morning, Brian? Oh, well, go ahead and tell them anyway.
Forgot my bird in the back of my car.
Brian, how did you forget your bird in the back of the car? Oh my goodness, Bob. I mean, Brian. Woo. So the take of the story, Brian left his drone in Atlanta and he's in Augusta, okay? 100%, but he's upright. That's the most important thing. And he's having the fun. He's making the best of it. All right, appreciate it, Brian. This is Lewis, your on-scene reporter, vlogger. Corey is not here, so I'm taking all of his responsibilities. I don't know where the hell Corey is, but he ain't on site. I know that. I think Corey is at home chilling. I know he's going to Tennessee. So, no, he ain't working hell. He's at home chilling. All right? So, Corey, wish you was here, man. I'm doing your job. I send you this awesome footage.